Whether you're into photography or not, we have some of the coolest GoPro accessories that'll make your life easier. Let's have a look. At number 5, we have the GoPro Hero 5 Black Rechargeable Battery. Pop up a fully charged GoPro rechargeable battery into your Hero 5 Black camera and capture your adventures. This rechargeable battery is based on a lithium-ion chemistry and has a capacity of 1220 mAh, slightly larger than the previous generation battery. Despite the size improvement, charges times have improved with this generation as well, by taking advantage of the USB-C rapid charging feature. Additionally, an integrated authentication chip handshakes the Hero 5 Black, communicating exact battery percentage so you know when it's time to charge. Now let us see the features of our fourth product, which is the Encased Sling Pack for GoPro. The Encased Designs Corp Sling Pack, with black exterior and lumen interior accents, is a backpack designed to store and carry your GoPro cameras and accessories. It features a main compartment, top compartment, side pockets, and a padded shoulder pad with a buckle for easy removal. There's also a faux fur-lined iPad and tablet compartment and adjustable strap for carrying a travel-sized tripod on either side of the backpacks. Included in the sling pack is an accessory organizer cartridge for organizing your various action camera accessories. The bag can accommodate up to 4 accessory organizers, letting you add additional ones as needed. Here comes the third best product, the GoPro Suction Cup. The GoPro Suction Cup mount is compatible with all GoPro camera models, featuring a 3.4-inch diameter suction cup that attaches the camera to cars, boats, motorcycles, and more. The mount includes adjustable arms as well, which allows for ultra-compact mounting. The suction cup has been proven at speeds of over 150 miles an hour. It includes both a standard base and quick-release base for moving conveniently between shots and locations. This item is not recommended for surfing, snowboarding, or other high-impact sports. It is recommended for non-impact activities only. The second best product is the GoPro Handler. The Handler floating hand grip from GoPro doubles a stabilizer and steadier handheld shooting, as well as a flotation device, keeping your GoPro camera safely on the surface if dropped in the water. It's ideal for surfing, kayaking, wakeboarding, and more. It floats any GoPro Hero model plus backpack accessory, so you could shoot in and around the water without any worry. For added security, it includes an adjustable wrist strap. And here comes the best product, the GoPro Chest Mount Harness. The Chesty makes it easy to capture immersive photos and videos from your chest level. It's perfect for skiing, mountain biking, motocrossing, paddle sports, or any activity where you want a more engaging, lower-than-the-helmet view of the action. You'll capture more of your arms, knees, poles, and skis while skiing, and more of your arms and handlebars while biking or riding your motorcycle. It's fully adjustable to fit a wide range of adult sizes. The Junior Chesty is available for kids and adolescents as well. We hope you enjoyed this video, but please don't forget to share your valuable comments. If you like our video, do give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to watch other great videos. Have a great day.